Scientists believe that the idea of humans and aliens meeting one day is extremely likely. But if we did meet a creature from another planet, what would it look like? From the research that I've done, it seems that it all depends on what kind of planet that alien life form evolved from. If the planet is much like our own, then the likelihood of that alien having similar features to us could be strong. But if their planet had different conditions, then there are, in theory, endless possibilities of how they might look. 95% of the Earth's species are built with 6 main elements: carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, phosphorus and sulfur. We are carbon-based creatures and rely on water to exist, with some exceptions. So if scientists one day found a planet that was much like our own, then the creatures may have 2 eyes, 2 arms, 2 legs, etc. But if the planet was unlike ours, then some theories suggest that under the right conditions, creatures could be silicon-based or carbon-silicon hybrid-based. Although it is likely that an alien life form would have some type of complex molecule to carry out biochemical functions. Whatever the chemical build-up of the alien is, it is said that the laws of evolution would still rule, meaning that the alien creature would have likely evolved to suit its environment. It would have to be able to take in energy from its surroundings, extract the energy and eliminate wastes. It would have senses such as sight, sound, touch or some other type to obtain information from the environment. They would also have some type of brain or nervous system to process information. It would have to have some means of reproduction to ensure its race's survival. So if these alien beings are chemical-based creatures, then they may well be more like us than we think, and most of these alien sci-fi movies that we have watched would be sort of accurate. Obviously no one knows how a creature from another planet would actually look like. Well, not unless you have met one already. Maybe they would not be chemical based. Maybe they would be energy based. Millions of years more evolved than us and have harnessed the form of energy, allowing them to not be restricted by size or shape. Or maybe they had reached their limit of mental capacity in their biological brains and equipped their bodies with artificial brains. Or maybe we are currently the most intelligent life form in the universe, and the only aliens that we could visit were bacterial forms of life. Who knows what is really out there? There are billions of stars and planets in our galaxy and billions of galaxies. All of the potential Earth-like planets are so far away from us it would take generations for a human to travel there with the current technology. So in our lifetime it would be more likely that the only way we will ever find out what they might look like is if an extremely intelligent race of aliens travelled to Earth, which may not be a great event for the human race, as you have to wonder why a race of super beings would want to travel over to our little planet just to say hello. Stephen Hawking said once that Christopher Columbus first landing on North America was not such a good event for the Native Americans. His idea behind this was that the alien beings may only want our resources, which could lead to the extinction of the human race. But maybe there is a race of aliens out there that don't want to destroy us. People all over the world tell stories of alien sightings, abductions and UFOs. The most commonly cited types seem to be the Greys, the Reptilians, the Nordics. All of these beings seem to have the same common features as us. So if they are real, then chemical-based creatures may be the norm in our space neighbourhood. Whether you believe that there are aliens out there or not, or whether they will ever come and visit us, or even whether we will ever discover them, they have definitely given us lots of entertainment and a worldwide interest into the unknown we like to call space.